Hello dear traders and partners of AMarkets. My name is Daria, I'm the financial advisor, and today we are going to discuss the situation in the global financial markets. So let's get started. WTI crude oil railed on Friday, recovering most of its losses from the day before. We believe that the price will keep consolidating in the $39 to $41 per barrel area. This range seems to be quite suitable for traders, and to leave this area the market would need some significant drivers. The recovery of global demand amid quarantine easing in major economies continues to be the main positive factor, which currently supports oil. The growing number of reported COVID cases in the United States overshadows positive world statistics. Rumors that the United States may reimpose some of the restrictions may hinder further oil recovery in the nearest future. An increase in US crude oil production is another negative factor. Last week, the indicator rose for the first time in 9 weeks. This time, market participants reacted to this growth positively, since most of the oil went to countries other than the United States, which means that global demand for raw materials is growing. However, there is no guarantee that the market will react as positively if the US crude oil inventories show an increase this week. Now, let's go back to positive factors. The news that researchers and scientists are making progress on coronavirus vaccine, which can accelerate the global economic recovery, is a strong supportive argument. The recent OPEC Plus's oil output cut deal aimed at balancing the market and supporting depressed prices provides additional support to the oil. The key OPEC Plus ministers are set to meet in mid-July to discuss the effectiveness of the current agreement and debate the next level of cuts and plans for the future. According to some sources, Russia and Saudi Arabia are determined to gradually increase oil output starting from August. Leading oil producers hinted that they were ready to start easing output cuts amid the steady recovery of the oil industry. Let us recall that unrest in the oil market began in March, when OPEC failed to reach a consensus on how to deal with oil prices during the pandemic. As a result, international benchmark Brent crude futures plummeted by 30%. In April, the situation in the oil market began to recover. The current technical picture indicates that the asset is overbought. The price was anchored $41 per barrel on Friday, but it's unlikely to remain in this area today. We believe the WTI is unlikely to show any growth in the next few days, but the chances of a minor correction down are quite high. We estimate the price to slip into the area of $39.20 to $39.50, where you can start looking for potential entry points to buy the asset. So for now, this is the main trading ideas for the upcoming trading session. Thank you for attention, subscribe to our channel, and we will do our best for you to reach success trading with AMarkets.